Oh my God! The python has eaten the lion!
Police station. How can I help you?
A python has eaten a mother lion. Come here now with a rescue team and save the lion.
Okay, we will reach there immediately with the rescue team.
All units, we have a confirmed sighting. Repeat, a confirmed sighting.
We need to get in there and get them out.
It's too dangerous. The animal could attack at any moment.
We will get there immediately, no later. Let's move.
Run the machine and see if it's okay.
The rescue team will go.
Go, go, go. Get inside.
I'm in. There. He's over there.
Watch the head!
We're losing time. Cut deeper.
Doctor, the lion will be put in the ambulance.
You want this? Secure the lock. It's in. Closing doors now.
It's secure. All right, pull it up now.
Please, you have to help. My mother is hurt.
Okay, let's get you to safety.
We need to get him into surgery now.
His vitals are dropping.
The lion's condition is very serious and needs immediate treatment.
Ryan's condition is very bad. He is not getting oxygen. Give him a press chest.
Come on. Stay with us. I've got a pulse. We've got him back.
We did it. We saved him.
It's been a long day, but we finally got her.
Yeah, she's a beauty. Let's get her back to the sanctuary.